here with our Grand Cayman Blue Iguana Blue. He just celebrated his 16th birthday. As a Grand Cayman Blue Iguana, they are from the Grand Cayman. Very isolated, very harsh conditions, but these guys are built perfectly for that. He is our only blue iguana that we have here at the San Antonio Zoo. Early 2000, there were only believed to be about 10 to 20 of these guys out in the wild. But due to different breeding programs, the population is actually believed to be upwards of about 1,000 now. So it's a pretty big and pretty good success story that zoos have been helping and been part of. So the next time you're here at the zoo, stop by, say hi to Blue, and wish him a happy 16th.